3 types of nuts you should eat immediately and 3 types you should avoid if you're over 60. Are you eating nuts every day thinking they're good for your heart and overall health? If you're in your 60s or older, this becomes more important than ever. But did you know that some nuts that seem healthy could actually silently increase your risk of heart disease by up to 48%? This isn't just a rumor, it's the result of a reputable long-term study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology. Many older adults are unknowingly choosing the wrong types of nuts. Familiar options in your pantry could be causing blood vessel inflammation, raising blood pressure, and even affecting memory, liver, and kidneys when consumed regularly. One specific type of nut, very common in low-carb diets, contains a toxin. This is Mr. David. 2 years ago, he couldn't even go to the market anymore because climbing stairs was too much. I didn't think I would ever walk like I used to again. Every step hurt. I had accepted living with it. Mr. David shared. But then he did just one very small thing each day. And after 60 days, his life completely changed. Muscle loss isn't caused by age alone, it happens when we stop using our muscles regularly. The good news is, muscles can still recover. Even at 70, you can rebuild strength if you know how. And this is the habit that changed Mr. David's life, and could change yours too. The habit, chair squat, standing up and sitting down from a chair, 10 to 15 times a day. No equipment. No time wasted. No risk. Every time you stand up, you're reactivating the most important muscle groups that help you walk, your thighs, glutes, and lower back. After 1 week, you'll find it easier to walk. After 1 month, you won't need to hold on to a chair anymore. After 60 days, you'll stand up like you did at 40. Day 1, he trembled when standing up. Day 15, stood up more easily, could walk 10 more steps. Day 30, climbed stairs for the first time in 2 years. Day 60, went to the market again, without needing help. I feel like I've come back to life. It's just standing up and sitting down, but it changed my whole life. That's what Mr. David said. If your parents, grandparents, or even you are feeling weaker day by day, backhand index pointing right, don't wait any longer. Start with just 1 minute a day. Don't think about age, think about the things you want to keep doing. Taking walks with your grandkids. Going to the market on your own. Not needing anyone to help you. Stand up, truly stand up, from your chair today. If you've watched this far, thank you. You're not only helping yourself, but also giving other seniors a better chance at a healthy life. Every view, every share, is a step that helps us spread this simple yet miraculous habit. Backhand index pointing right, send this video to your loved ones. Backhand index pointing right, try the chair squat right now. Backhand index pointing right, and don't forget, age is just a number, strength is a choice. And that's all you need to know to restore your muscle strength like when you were 40, no matter your age. But don't stop here. If you truly want to see change and become stronger, take action today. Don't let time pass without taking that first step. And if you really want to prove that nothing is impossible, try this habit for 1 week, then come back and tell us the results. I bet you'll be surprised by your own transformation. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, because we'll keep discovering more amazing habits to help you live healthier, more active, and stronger. We'll have even more exciting videos, so don't miss out. Remember, you can do it. Together, we'll change lives and conquer every challenge. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Together, we can do it.